What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will look on MATIC because we have here now really interesting setups that are currently forming on this coin. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to trade with me and be part of my trading community, you can join this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Okay, let's start with an analysis on a 12-hour chart. The main pattern that I'm currently watching is this falling wedge on a 12-hour chart. To enter a long position, I am currently waiting for a breakout of this resistance of this falling wedge and for a support confirmation. And if this will happen, there is like a high probability that I will enter a long position. So the trade can look, for example, like this. The next resistance area is here, this bearish order block, and it's between 1.25 and 1.20. So if you enter, for example, on this level, as I said, wait for a breakout and support confirmation. The support confirmation is really important because in the most cases you will avoid fake out, so definitely wait for a support confirmation. Stop loss you can put somewhere back to this falling wedge, and your last take profit target I would put below this bearish order block. Of course you can take multiple take profit targets, but in this case it's risk reward ratio 6.87, which is really good, and the expected net profit is 62%. But this will be probably a long-term trade, so if you want to enter some short-term position, I will also show you some ideas that I'm currently watching on the lower time frames. But this is like the main setup that I'm currently watching right now, because there is like a really good risk-reward ratio, and I think that there is like high probability that this trade will go well. Let's now switch to a 4-hour chart. Currently, I am watching their few possible trading scenarios. The first one is same as on the 12-hour chart, so I'm waiting here for breakout and support confirmation, but in this case there is like not as good risk-reward ratio, because if you, for example, enter on this level, you should put your stop loss below these bullish order blocks, because I think that if we like go to these bullish order blocks, there is like high probability that the price will bounce up, so definitely put the stop loss below these bullish order blocks, and your take profit target you can put below this bearish order block. So in this case it's risk reward ratio 1.2, which is not so good. The other possible scenarios will be valid when we hit this bullish order blocks. So if you want to enter some long positions on like in my opinion good prices, I think that you can start accumulate in these areas. So these bullish order blocks are between 0.637 and 0.558, and I think that like from this area there is a really good risk reward ratio on the long side, because again you can take profit targets below these two bearish order blocks. So these two trades can look, for example, like this. The first one, as I said, is when we hit this first bullish order block. In this case, it's risk reward ratio approximately 3.2, which is not bad, but it's not ideal. And the other trade look much better, because you will enter when we hit this next bullish order block, so it's on the price approximately 0.595, and in this case it's risk reward ratio 7.2 almost, which is amazing. And the last setup that I want to show you is on the 30-minute chart. We are here forming this rising wedge, which is bearish pattern, so I am waiting here for a breakdown of this support and for a resistance confirmation. You can see that we took the liquidity below this support level, and that's the reason why I'm always saying that it's really important to wait for a resistance or for a support confirmation. So if you want to enter a short position, I would definitely like wait for a breakdown and for a resistance confirmation, of course, and and the main take profit targets you can put above this first bullish order block and above this second bullish order block, and the stop loss you can put about this week high, because that's like the resistance of the falling wedge. So if you like break above, it's like high probability that we will continue go up. So you don't want to like hold the position after we break this week high. So this last trade can look, for example, like this. In this case, it's risk reward ratio 3.3, which is not bad if you like trading this short term position, because this trade will probably last maximum couple of days. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you are interested in daily analysis and you want to be part of my trading community, definitely join the Discord group where I am sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But this will be all from me for today, and I will see you tomorrow. See ya.